How y'all doing out there? Sometimes you got to take a break and let the sun and nature do its thing. This park that I'm at is so refreshing and peaceful. I came at the time when nobody's at the park. You see the lake, how beautiful it is, all the nature around me. This is heaven. This is heaven for me. When you hear the birds chirping, the crickets, you see the fall colors on the trees. This is heaven to me. Nature does its thing when you let it. Sometimes you just gotta sit down and take a break and relax and take it all in. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you are enjoying your day as much as I am enjoying mine. Do you hear that? Exactly. Peace, quiet, serenity. Everything that a lot of people need right now. If you're ever feeling stressed or tired or you just don't know what your next step or move is, go out into nature, even if it's just for 15 to 20 minutes. And let it soothe you. Let it relax you. Let it do what it is supposed to do. Being still is also a part of being healthy. Taking a break is definitely a part of being healthy. Because see, I likes to take a break. I likes to go walk through the park, clear my head as I get my day started, and just enjoy before I get to working. And this park is so soothing. It's so soothing. Now later on it'll be filled up with a bunch of kids and stuff, but I love coming to Club Drive Park. It's my peace, my serenity. Find a park, sit down in it, and enjoy. And thank nature when you finish. Okay. Ooh, I don't know if y'all could see that huge spider web. Charlotte's Web. I don't want to get too close. It's like if I get close, it moves. But I don't know if you could see it. It's right there. Yeah, so I came to the park to get me a couple of steps in, do a bunch of laps, get to walking. You can walk all around the park. It's a cool breeze, but it's going to be hot today. Which I'm still grateful because, this is October. But yeah, I'm just enjoying my time and peace. And I want you to do the same. Enjoy your day, people.